Hi everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use Instantly AI, one of the best cold email outreach tool available in 2025. Whether you are a beginner in cold emailing or an experienced marketer looking for automation, this is your full step-by-step guide. So without any further ado, let's jump into it. So first of all, you just need to be understand what is Instantly AI. What is the meaning of this? So Instantly AI is a cold email automation platform designed to help you. Here you can see their products. You can do outreach, then you can make a lead database, then you can create your email account, then verification, and couple of furthermore. Then here we are allowed to send mass personalized emails, then we are allowed to do warm-up inbox automatically, then we can manage leads and campaign with this, and also we can track deliverability and response in real time. It is perfect for freelancer agencies and startup doing outbound marketing at scale. So let's go and talk about how you can start working on it. So first of all, you just need to be sign up on this platform. So this is really easy. If you see their pricing, you will get some idea about this one. That is, they are starting from 37.9, but you have the access to start it free because they are giving you the free trial to start it probably for your business. So just click over here, start for free. Once you click over here, then the process is really simple. You just need to be give there your first name, last name, email and password, then just check this out, agree, and it is probably done. Even if you don't want to go with this difficult one, you can go with this option. It's called sign up with Google. It is really simple. I'm like, my first choice will be this one. Just click over here, and here you can see we get a warning that please accept the instantly terms of use and privacy policy. So I just need to be selected, then just click on sign in up and just select my mail account, then click on continue. So the process is really simple. So once you're done, then here let's get to know. We would like to know more about you so we can help you get the most out of Instantly. So where did you find us? They are asking questions. So I got it from, I can say, a friend. Then what best describe your industry? So I am an agency, or I can go with this consulting and coaching. Then my company size is 1 to 10 and click on continue. Once you click over here, now you can see they are preparing our store. So let's go and take a tour about this. So here you can see find and enrich leads with AI using our database of millions of B2B. B2B means business to business contracts. Just click on next. Then the second one is contact and warm up email accounts. Okay, this one is work for this. Next, so this is campaign. Import your leads and create email outreach campaign through these options. Then click next, and this is the Unibox. And what is the work of this? It manages replies and close deals all in one place. Okay, great. Then click on next, and this is analytics. So you can see your campaign analytics in real time through these options. In fact, just click on next, then you will get options called CRM. It helps you to manage your sales pipeline and track your deals. Then click on next, and it is website visitors. Track your website visitors and turn them into leads. Okay, great. Next, inbox placement. See how your emails are performing in receptionist inbox. Okay, great. Next, feedback and feature. It helps us improve instantly by sharing. Okay, it is not necessary. Okay, just click on next, and here they are telling us to connect an account. Let's get started by connecting an email account to Instantly and warm it up. So just click on connect, and here you can see pre-warm-up accounts. You can go with this one, your Gmail account. There is a couple of options you have, so I'm going to do with this one. connect existing account, connect any IMTP. So I'm going to click on this one, new domain. I don't have any domain, existing domain. Just click on back and then click on this one, recommended. Connect your Google account. Yeah, definitely just copy this one. Here they did already told us the configuration method. You just need to go to your Google Workspace admin panel, or you can see the video, then click configure new app, use the following client ID, search and select OK. Just click on login. Then I need to be paste my email address, then click on next, and they are asking for the password. Just need to paste your password over here. Once you're done, then you will allow to connect it with your Instantly AI. So I hope you already understand how easy the process was. When you connect your email, then you can add multiple emails to increase sending volume using inbox rotation. So if you want to add multiple, you are allowed to do it. So in section 4, I'm going to talk about to create your first campaign, how you can do it. In here you can see this is called campaign. Here you just need to click over here. Once you click over here, then you will get options called add new in the right corner. You just need to click over here, and let's create a new campaign. This way you already change you can change the campaign name. I'm going to change it by my name. Then click on continue. Once you click over here, then if you had a lead, then just add it here, lead, or you can email manually. So I'm going to add a manually email. This one will be my friend email, and then click on import email. Okay, it will take a while to import it, and now it has been come on the sequence. So here you just need to give a sequence. You can add multiple things. You can add here a couple of subject. I'm going to, or you can add a step over here. It's totally depend on you. So here you can see we have template options in the bottom. Then we have a couple of other options called code view. So I'm going to give a subject that will be subscribe our YouTube channel, and here you can add an subject. Hi. So this way you just need to add your all the things. Once you're done, then the schedule process will become. Here you just need to be set the timing for your sending email. Then you will get to these options. Account to use, you just need to add your mail over here. Then stop sending emails on reply. Yeah, enable it. Open tracking, yes, you just need to enable it. Without tracking, you will never allow to know the analytics perfectly, so this is must. Then you can enable it to deliver optimization. Here send email as text only, no HTML. So this way you can set the daily limit and just click on launches. By clicking on launches, you are allowed to complete the procedure, the campaign. So I hope you already learned or gained many things or many valuable knowledge from this video. If you think this was really helpful for you, then don't forget to subscribe our channel and don't forget to hit the like button. Till then, have a good day. I will catch you in the next video.